project with a perfect blend of luxury, spacious homes, city-centric location in Pune, and amidst vast nature. Are we expecting too much? They say there is no limit to your desires, and on my channel, I assure to show you properties that offer luxury beyond your desires. Hello, I'm Siddharth Kankriya, your prime property reviewer, and today I welcome you back for another amazing review of a sample unit of 4.5 BHK at Kumar Sanctum in Baner, Pune. This project is being developed by Kumar Privy, a luxury brand of Kumar Properties. Privy, as they say in French, means living a good life, and you can absolutely get that experience in all their projects. Kumar Properties is India's leading group developing commercial and residential real estate for over 50 years now and have developed more than 25 million square feet of space. Kumar Sanctum is developed on a 4-acre property in the Ivory Estates on Baner Road. On offer is a 3.5 and 4.5 BHK luxury flats. In this project, almost 70% area is dedicated to vehicle-free recreational zone. Every flat gets a central view of this cricket pitch, a tennis court, this beautiful coastal swimming pool surrounded by coconut trees, adjacent to a party lawn with a banquet hall, fully equipped gymnasium, and this beautiful central space with gazebos and jogging track. If this view is not enough for you, how about the view on the other side of your home? Let's get in the building through this marvelous entrance lobby with a seating for your guests. Walking to the lift, you will be awestruck in this double-heighted chandelier-lit lobby. Every tower has a service lift and 2 residential lifts secured by access card entry only. When you opt for a luxury apartment, privacy from neighboring flats might concern you, or maybe not. However, this huge luxurious lobby space and a substantial gap between 2 flats has already given me a hint of the size of the flat from the inside, and it sure seems supersized. This sample unit consists of 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a grand terrace, and an exterior staff quarter, measuring approximately 2,457 square feet in carpet area. Walking on the marble flooring from the external lobby through the internal lobby to the living room, this doesn't even feel like being in an apartment anymore. With floor-to-ceiling height measuring 10.6 feet, this space feels huge and spacious. For an indoor-outdoor feel, on opening these about 17 feet wide French window, living room opens up to this spacious east-facing terrace, giving the beautiful view of the central amenity space. On the other side, you get a grand dining area just adjacent to the kitchen, making it easily accessible for service. The complete living and dining space comes with a centralized AC system and having a living plus dining extending from west to the east end of the slab just feels marvelous, ensuring sunlight and ventilation throughout the day. Next is a spacious kitchen. You get a completely done branded modular kitchen with chimney and hob from the developer. Attached to it is a spacious dry balcony for household utilities. Now, let's start with first of the 4 bedrooms that falls on the left of entrance lobby. The USP according to me in this project is that even the smallest bedroom is of the size of a master bedroom. This room is staged by the developer as a family room, but it can surely be a guest room. It comes with a spacious and a luxurious attached bathroom with premium CP and sanitary fittings. On the opposite side is bedroom number 2. This room is even bigger. It comfortably fits a king-size bed, informal seating space, and has a walk-in wardrobe area. The attached bathroom is spacious and comes with designer wall tiles with premium CP and sanitary fittings. Heading to bedroom number 3 through living room, it's again a spacious room comfortably fitting a master bed and huge wardrobes. The east-facing windows ensure ample of sunlight throughout the day, good ventilation, and a beautiful view of the central amenity space. The attached bathroom is spacious and comes with premium CP and sanitary fittings. Finally, time for the master bedroom, which I would rather call a master suite. due to the sheer big size of the room. This room comfortably fits a master bed and gives the views of the beautiful greenery in the west. It has a spacious walk-in wardrobe attached to a grand bathroom. The attached master bathroom is spacious and comes with designer wall tiles, premium CP and sanitary fittings. Overall, it's a great experience to feel this property physically than on the screen. To know more about the project, inquire on the link in the description below. I will be back with reviewing another premium project, but until then, hit the subscribe button and follow my YouTube channel, Prime Property Review.